Oh, see? And this is what Harry needs to do. It's fine. It's totally fine.
Well, I'm kind of enjoying what Harry gets to do.
Harry will say, okay, I like that, or that's not okay. He's really playing with them. He's not really mad. Standing right on the cat.
Claw.
It's fine.
Well, that's Harry's ear right there.
But Harry doesn't like it. Harry will stop him. See?
Okay.
I'm telling you. Vern, be nice. Nice to Kitty. Nice. Be nice.
Be nice. Harry's getting mad now.
If Harry got really mad, he'd just hop up and run away.
We're gonna stuck.
See? Is that enough now?
Vern.
I think he's too fat to get behind the couch.